Kartel? Yeah, man. This is Vybz Kartel. A Waterford Primary School. I'm sending my team to deliver this to you guys. Okay? So look out. Everything look out. What is under my nose?
Uno member fi subscribe. Welcome viewers and subscribers. Big up Jamaica Action Nation, and if you're new here, just go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Yeah man, big up yourself. Matter of fact, just go ahead and hit the like button too. You see what I say? But we do want to talk about that story real quick. So Vybz Kartel donated over, well I shouldn't say over, but him donate $1 million to the Waterford Primary School. Now, tell me people, isn't that a good look? May I have to give him a round of applause. Yeah man. Definitely, that's a good look. I mean, I have to say big up to Vybz Kartel for doing that. I don't really see nobody else I do them thing there. And if there's other artists out there that's donating money to school and community cause, then definitely them deserve a round of applause too. So then I say, now, this in itself, $1 million will go a long way, because you don't know, say, that can help the kids them, future Jamaican citizens them. You see me I say, so the future look bright, you know, people. If we can get some more artists for us do a little bit more like what you see Vybz I do right now. I mean I tell you, say, listen, if him never got you where him got you, probably him never would have there where him there right now. So all praises to the Most High. I mean I tell you, say, nobody no greater than God, you know. Tell you that. Because when you go through certain things, it's like you see the road different. You see me I say? So want play the clip for you right now, where him donate the $1 million, and you're going to hear some response from the kids them and the teacher them. So watch out now. Not talk too long.
Kartel? Yeah, man. This is Vybz Kartel. A Waterford Primary School. I'm sending my team to deliver this to you guys. Okay? So look out. Everything look out. What is under my nose? God is the greatest. No matter what you're going through, count your blessings, yeah. Well, today is a new day. Give thanks to life.
So this check is to go towards your JCDC program, as well as to go towards procuring computers, and also for a treat next week Friday, courtesy of Mr. Palmer himself.
Does inspire me to show that not only looking back at my past, I can help to improve it, so I can help this school to advance in learning, technology, or in dancing or extra activities. So it does inspire me a lot. You want to say to him, thank you for everything. I want to say thank you, Vybz Kartel, for everything.
When I grow up, I always wanted to help people in need, and I see this gesture as a nice one to give back to something that really helps you when you grow up. So I think that's very nice.
My mother listens to Vybz Kartel every day when she drives me to school.
Mr. Bishop Palmer would have been a past student of this institution. And of course, he would have excelled in the performing arts, as you all know. Another secret is that this school bus right here at one of our actual fairs. I think I was told that he came here and did his first performance in Waterford. So actually him giving back to the performing arts department can actually push another child to see or achieve their future goals. Everybody will not turn out to be a banker or lawyer, everything. But at least a child who can dance, who knows that there's a future in it, can actually excel from this little performance of going to JCDC, showing or showcasing his or her talent to the world, can start from right here at the primary level. So this gesture will go a very, very far way in actually propelling those parents who don't have it to actually help their children to go. Because I'm telling you, we did not know where we were going to get the money from to send them to 11 dances going and 16 persons in each dance. And so this gesture will achieve the goals of this institution, which is to have our children globally rounded and competitive with everybody else.
guest viewers and subscribers and Jamaica Extra Nation. So, only thing about that. More I know what I think. I think that's a good look, right? Everybody must agree with me and say that's a very good look for the man for donate $1 million to the school, right? Because you can't forget where you come from, you know. No matter which part you go in life, you can't forget where you come from, and that to me shows that Vybz Kartel definitely have the maturity and he have the wisdom. Yeah, so me I say, and to the way the man I move right now, I just positivity me see him move with. And me have to say again, you know, my hat's off because that's a good look for him do that. So more I know what you think in a real life, put it in the comment section below. Me could talk about this because I love to see one talk and no voice, no opinion out there. Yeah. So me I say, so until next time, I'm gonna go and big up on yourself, and you know me I always say, I'm out.